Hello guys, today I'm going to be playing another app called Angry Birds Go. Rovio is made by the company Rovio. I don't give a damn. Loading. MB, blah 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 blah. Ba-ding. Hurry up.
I think we need torches. We don't. And if you cannot see anywhere,
Oh my god, fuck.
Don't go down there, there's nothing. And I need food. Oh, now I can see them. You couldn't see them. I'm gonna get some torches. Do you have any? No. I was about to buy mine.
What happened to the day back? Down? Hello? What do I do here? Stuck.
I see my house.
What the hell?
I thought you were gonna make a waterfall.
Hello? Oh, okay, done.
No.
Welcome back. Here we play again. My username. Let's guess. Okay. Ooh.
No, it was supposed to be.
Speedway. Yeah, I played this before, guys. By the way. Oh, new content.
Whoa.
Party. Oh, yay! New party.
Oh, you borrowed.
I had no idea what the hell was a party.
Don't. Just because I can't go in the house, I don't even have a weapon.
What can I play online?
Who's that?
Oh, Speedway. I need to complete Speedway.
We even told you there are monsters in your house, and you're like, fine.
Dun 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 dun. Guys, quiet down. Quiet down, people. Quiet down. You guys have the worst smack talk ever. Quiet down.
You did not.
Change the. Okay, I can use that. Whee!
When did you ever say that?
Woohoo!
Three.
Turn left, then turn right. I don't know how to drive a damn car. Fuck.
I'm bringing the mountain.
Oh, that was what? Oh, I'm playing a tutorial. God damn it, I hate tutorial.
Careful.
Ooh, look at all the eggs. I want the egg. Eat it, boil it, eat the chicken inside of it. Cannibalism. Oh, okay, so this is your special power. Woo!
I can't see. I'm sorry.
Oh crap, shit! My car! My brand new car I bought for $2. It's pretty small. The car is pretty small, but it works. It works.
You might have to get out the way. Ow. See, that's what I'm saying.
Ooh, piggies! Alright, time for a re-race. Finally! You're too slow! Money! I'm sixth place, god damn it! No, you piggy, get back here! You are not allowed to beat me. Give me this money! Fib, what the hell? Get away from me. You're not allowed to. I'm third place. Second place. Get away from me. I caught you up to you. No. Like I told y'all, I hit me number one. My car. No, don't break my car. Ice cream. Something happened. That happened. I don't know the story. Oh, you get to customize your car. I see.
Just walk on the side. Hey, Andrew. Hi, I'm beating you.
Woohoo! Acceleration.
Oh, shoot.
Alright. Now what? Ooh, I need beater. So I need to do 5 of these. Go.
Good shot. Thanks. Let's go in our house. And
It's a cat. Nope, you're not getting me. You're not getting me again, pigs. Oh, Prezi, I want that. Oh, damn it. Second place. At least I got first. Oh, I got a photo for some reason. They took a photo of me. No, damn it. Backward. Not this again. I'm not gonna be last again. My car is broken. God damn it. just jealous, bro? You jelly? What the hell? That was a lot of freaking sound. Oh, you can upgrade, okay. Handling. I don't really care about the handling. I wanna, acceleration? Wait, do I have money? Yeah, acceleration. And damn, I don't have enough.
I don't think so, my smooth.
I guess I get strength, so I can like freaking punch people in the face and they die. Yeah,
Oh, get down.
they die. That's weird. Anyway,
Get down.
oh damn, it's a challenge now. Hate these challenges. I hate them. Down. Ah, Ice Cube. Oh crap, no. Oh god damn it. No present. I wanted. Yes, I got the present.
That's how they got out.
So do I just literally? Oh, I don't want to break my card. Oh shit! Wrong way. Crap! I can't drive. Between and Skittles!
Enderman, injured. I know how to take this.
What is it gonna be? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 gem, huh? Not bad. I'll take it.
You can, it's hard. Where'd you go? Where are you? I thought you should have never shot it.
Ooh. Yeah, I got more money. No, acceleration. There you go. I love acceleration. They are so good. Oh, you can get different cars. I see what you're doing.
Yeah. Come on, Alice. Whenever you walk fast, just walk on this car. Nobody's flying.
Oh shit, I did it too early. No. Second. Who's first? I will get that black. Oh god damn it. I will get that. Oh god damn it. What is wrong with you? My car. Wow, my car. Yeah, I'm gonna take this way. It's more faster, I think. But they have TNT, so it's more riskier. First place. Suckers. You know, get me now. Oh my god, that's so many sound like this. Oh, let's do. Alright, I need to beat this girl.
Sure. The thing's not too close.
I wanna beat you. Bitch, get away from me. Get your dirty heads off me. Oh god, ooh, I like that car. I want it. Move. Move, fat ass. Oh shit, TNT. Shit! Oh! So much money.
Alice, do not. Creeper! Alice, run! Alice, run! I'm not getting. Oh, shoot!
Well.
So close.
Oh god, my car! I broke my car. How much time do we have left?
a bow. Don't blame me.
Oh, we have
You don't? No, I don't.
Now we don't have any time left, guys. Bye.